We really put effort into making sure students learn the basics of every single aspect of technical theater, which sets them up for a good basis to move forward and be able to move into any section of the career that they want. In the technical theater class, students are working on building the sets for the plays, and they do everything from beginning to end. They draft the set, they build the set, they paint the set, and then they strike it. They also do that with costume and makeup and props, and then they also work on running the light boards and the sound boards, and they create light designs and they create sound designs. And they basically just learn how to run an auditorium.
A lot of the stuff I actually had no idea was ran by students. I didn't know that like a lot of the set wasn't just bought. I was like, okay, they buy it, it's whatever. The costuming, the designing, the planning is all done by our class.
With technical theater specifically, it opens up a lot of opportunities for students. If you really want to be a costume designer for like movies when you graduate high school, taking tech theater actually is a good idea because you do learn about costume design and how that works. Or if you want to be doing lighting design for like rock concerts, taking tech theater is a great idea because then you do learn about lighting design and how the lights move and how to hook them up and take them down and create those light shows that have meaning behind them. The obvious answer is Broadway shows. You can go work on Broadway, and I know that there's some SUSD students who actually have graduated programs and moved to work in Broadway. I always say that it's important to make sure students know that tech hands are important because no matter how good the actor is, if they are not microphoned and they don't have a cool set and they are not lit up, they're not going to be seen by the audience. So tech is just as important as the actors, and I say that as someone who started as an actor before moving into tech.